Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in England and behind me is a tiny house that is 16 square meters. It's running off the solar panels. It has a 10 kilowatt lithium battery inside. It's built from eco-friendly materials. From outside you have a cork and wood cladding. When you enter you have a triple glazed glass door with wooden frame. Here in the front, when you enter, you have a library and a work desk. As you can see, the exterior is as well from cork and a bit of wood. Here you have a ladder. Jeffrey, the owner, decided to make it more like staircase and not to take a lot of space as a ladder. On the top you have a queen size bed, 3 kilowatt wood stove, keeps this house warm in winter, and it has electric heated floor. In the kitchen is made from very nice massive wood, the countertop. It has a proper fridge, 100 liters approximately, gas stove and oven, kitchen hood, sink. Look at this, spoons carved from wood. And behind this door is a bathroom with a bathtub where you can take a proper bath, and a composting toilet. For the bed, Jeffrey opted to integrate normal sofa bed because it's difficult to build comfortable your own. And here on top is a pull bar.